Hey guys, it's Scott Bengali back here with another Animal Jam video. So today, since a lot of people have been getting hacked recently, when they are streaming using Google Hangouts, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use OBS Studio. So yeah. So first you want to go to OBS Studio, download it. Yeah, I have mine already set up and everything like that. But yeah. So, first you want to go to scenes. You're going to add a scene. Okay. So you're just going to add a scene, right? Then you're going to want to do game capture. Okay. So that will, and you just, where did it go? Whatever. And then you're gonna go to, where was it? I think it was display capture. See, and then it'll give you this, so it will actually show you the screen that you use. So when you stream, it'll look like this. Then you want to go to settings, stream, put your stream key in if you have one. You're not going to be able to stream if you don't have your stream key. Keep your CPU usage present at very fast. These two at none. I would keep the output mode at advanced. And rate control, always keep it at CBR, right here. And keep your I would suggest bitrate at 3000 like it is. That's just what I suggest. So yeah, if you want to copy any of these, you can, but you don't know my stream key, because if I told you my stream key, and then keep your base at 1920 to 1080. Keep all of this like this, okay? And then start streaming. You can do it you can make that as whatever you want. But that's basically it for it. So then you just want to hit start streaming, and that's basically it. Okay? So, and then obviously, since I like to add, like, if you wanted to do a slideshow of images like fan art or GIFs you've gotten, you just go to image slideshow and then add all those links that you want. And then if you would like to add a text, you just go to deprecated and then text free type 2, okay, and then type whatever you want basically. Okay, and then it'll show up here. You can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. Okay? So that's basically how to use OBS Studio. See how I have all of this here. So I do yeah, I know I have a lot of stuff here. It's just because I've been messing around with it and all of that. And then that was just basically the basic version, how to use OBS Studio. But other than that, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will be getting a new microphone soon, so my voice will sound a whole lot better. Don't worry, guys. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.